Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to show you an insane new AI tool that can turn a simple text prompt into a full 30-minute story video, complete with consistent characters and stunning visuals. No complicated editing, no animation skills, just type your story idea and boom, the AI does all the work for you. Whether you're a writer, content creator, or just love storytelling, this tool is going to change the game. Stick around because I'm about to show you how it works and why this might be the future of AI generated content. Let's get into it. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Navigate to MagicLight.ai, click on the sign up button and register using your email address or Google Dot. Step 2. Start a new project. On the dashboard, select the option to create a new video project. Input a descriptive prompt outlining your story. For example, a young girl in a farmhouse. You can let the system suggest for you if you want. Step 3. Customize your video. Select a visual style that aligns with your story's theme. Customize characters to maintain consistency throughout the video. You can click here to let the system auto-select characters for you. Utilize the platform's tools to generate voiceovers that match your characters. Step 4. You click on the Generate button to let the AI produce your video. It usually takes about a minute. Once generated, watch the video to ensure it meets your expectations. Step 5. Edit and finalize. If necessary, use the editing tools to tweak visuals, text, audio, or pacing. After editing, save the final version of your video. Step 6. Download and share. Click on the download button to export the video to your device. You can now distribute your story video across your preferred platforms. And that's it. With just one prompt, MagicLight.ai brings your stories to life in stunning video format. Give it a try and start creating today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.